Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm here at the Riviera West Village, the Riviera at West Village. This is in Dallas, Texas, and this is a mid-rise apartment. It's in the West Village, Uptown Dallas area. What we're going to do is we're going to film the Riviera West Village. It's actually been probably 2 years since we've been here, so we wanted to give you some updates of what it looks like. The apartment itself has been here quite a while. It's a great location, and the reason that people love being here is the walkability is crazy good. You're going to see it in just a minute when I walk around. We'll do that on the next video, but we're going to do probably about 8 to 10 videos just to give you an updated feel of the area here at the Riviera West Village. And just the recently redone, updated 1 and 2 bedrooms are available. It's going to be really cool. Can't wait for you to see that. Hey, if you have questions anytime about anything you're seeing here at the Riviera West Village, please give me a call, or you can actually even text. That's faster. My number is below, and I can answer any questions about Uptown Dallas Apartments or about the Riviera West Village in particular. Okay, let's go to the next video. What we're going to do then, you want to listen to this one, because we're going to talk about the area. I'm actually going to walk around and you can see it a little bit better. You'll see why people love living in this area.